5616 Autumn Valley Drive. See Rick Ready repair bid. Entry hall seems to be in pretty good shape. It's dining room. Various scuffs on the wall. Recommend a light coat, same patch or same color paint. Screw holes to be repaired. Kitchen is generally good shape. Just recommend a cleanup. The ceiling has a small crack. Appears to be a tape joint that is broken. Does not appear to be from a leak. Repairing it would be cosmetic only. Would require scraping it back, remudding it, and painting the entire ceiling. Eating kitchen. The walls appear to be dirty. May be able to just clean it. Got curtain rod holes or brackets that need to be patched. We have a leak in the corner. Does not appear to be an active leak. We've had a good bit of rain in the last 24 hours. And I would think that it would show if it was still an active leak. Into the laundry room, it's in the same corner. There's a valley that comes down. At one point I would think that that was leaking. Just recommend a cleanup. Take that back, that is an active leak. We do have a leak. It is showing on this side and most likely coming from the valley. Again, touch-up paint recommended in here. And depending on the extent of what we have to do to this leak, we may have to repaint the entire ceiling in the eat-in kitchen. Coming into the living room. See, all burners are working on the stove. Coming into the living room, light bulbs that we need to replace in the ceiling fan. Recommend painting the room single coat, same color. Patching the curtain rod holes. Cleaning up the trim. May need some touch-up paint. The back door. Recommend replacing the door jamb. And the weather stripping. May be just as cost effective just to replace the entire door with a pre-hung unit. Repair the hardware, if possible, to the storm door. Coming into the hallway, everything seems to be in good shape. Just clean up. Bedroom number 1. patch the screw holes from the bracket to the curtains. Recommend a single coat of paint, same color, just to cover the scuffs in the walls that can't be removed. All right, coming into the second bedroom, same thing here. Light coat of paint to cover up the blemishes and scuff marks. Clean it up. We have an active leak, which is going to be just, I believe, is going to be a result of the tree damage to the shingles on the front. This is just below it. That looks like maybe an older leak. That is an active leak. It will require, we will attempt to bleach that out. If not, we'll have to paint the ceiling. Actually, the ceiling is in pretty bad shape. Recommend painting the ceiling. Bathroom's in good shape. We do have hot water, no leaks in the sink. Do have a patch from a previous leak of some sort. Does not appear to be active. Repairing that would be optional. Into the master bedroom. Again, repairing the minor imperfections. Walls are dirty. Recommend a light coat of paint, as well as repairing the holes left by the curtain brackets. All right, back to the master bedroom. Into the master bedroom, master bath. Don't recommend painting the walls. Seem to be in good shape. Everything seems to be in order, just a general cleanup. The shower stall, we're going to attempt to just clean that. Into the toilet closet of the master bath. Everything seems to be working. The stool, the 5.5-inch stool, needs to be replaced, as well as the 2-inch slat vinyl blinds. Into the garage. Walls seem to be in good shape. Don't recommend doing any painting. We do seem to have an issue with the garage door. Seems like the traveler is not working. Unknown if this is an adjustment issue. It seems to drop when it goes back down. I do believe that would be an adjustment. Do have some sealing. Some of the popcorn sealing is breaking away from a tape joint. Being that it's a garage, I don't recommend, would be cosmetic only. The repair would require scraping that back and re-mudding the joints and respraying it and painting the sealant.